Are you ready to start texting with Twilio from your mobile device? Yes, let's get started and do that today. I can't wait. Hey everybody, it's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer. Today we're going to be going into the Command app and we're going to be texting with Twilio from the Command app. So if you haven't already, get that app out because we're going to tap in and start texting. All right. So we've already set up Twilio. We did that a couple weeks ago. Last week we texted through Smart Plans and through our desktop. This week we are going to text through the app. As you can see, it's going to be amazing. We're going to click on Contacts at the very, very bottom of the app. It's right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then I'm going to search for the contact that I want to text. And you can see this is my contact, and I'm just going to click on this texting icon right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click it. And then a pop-up is going to come up and it's going to say, do you want to send using this device or send using Twilio? What I want to do if I want to use my Twilio account is go ahead and click on send using Twilio. And then it's going to say enter your text. You're going to type out what you want. If you want to add a file or add an image. So maybe I want to add an image from today, and then I'm going to click send. It's going to pop up with your message info, how many credits it's going to be, how many unique recipients that you have remaining, and your available credits. You're just going to click send, and that text message is going to go through. You can then go into the actual contact record, click on timeline, so you can see the text message that you sent. And that's it. That was today's tutorial. Quick tutorial texting with Twilio from your phone. If you haven't tried this, try it today if you have Twilio. If you don't have Twilio, go back a couple videos and watch the tutorial on how to set it up. That's it. Hope you have a great day and get to texting with Twilio. I'll see you next week.